Imagine it's December 2025. You're sitting there reflecting on the year. Will you be proud of the steps you've taken, or is it just another year where nothing really changed? That nagging thought, why am I still stuck, hits hard. But what if I told you the difference between regret and progress comes down to one simple habit?
The only reason we fail at our goals, there's only one. The only reason we fail at our goals is because we don't feel like it. We don't feel like it. I don't feel like going to the gym right now. I don't feel like working on that book. I don't feel like whatever it is.
Here's the uncomfortable truth. Most people fail because they give in to excuses, distractions, and that little voice saying, I don't feel like it today. But there's one habit, just one, that will completely flip the script for you. And it's not just about hitting goals, it's about rewiring how you approach life. It turns effort into momentum, and suddenly hard work feels less like a burden and more like an engine driving you forward.
When we work hard for something we love, it's called passion. When we work hard for something we don't love, it's called stress.
You know, gratitude transforms hard work into a source of joy and momentum, not exhaustion. When you start practicing gratitude, even the toughest tasks become more meaningful, and you'll find yourself energized rather than drained, building momentum with every step.
I urge you, though, to choose gratitude in the hardest moments of life, because you'll start to see a better version of yourself.
In this video, we're going to break down the biggest traps holding you back, excuses, distractions, and self-doubt. And I'll give you a practical, step-by-step plan on how you can easily implement gratitude into your life and make 2025 the year you finally break through. And trust me, you'll want to stay until the end, because I'm sharing a bonus tip that completely changed my life. So find a quiet spot, shut out the noise, and let's dive in, because this will be the start of something incredible for you.
But within the simple act of being grateful, you will start to see your perception on life be changed. This is the power of choosing gratitude.
All right, let's be real. Life can feel like a never-ending to-do list, right? Work, goals, relationships. It's easy to get caught up in the what's next and totally forget about what's now. That's where gratitude comes in. And trust me, this little habit, it's a total game changer. Your brain loves to focus on what's missing. It is wired to worry, compare, and stress over what you don't have. But gratitude, it flips the switch. When you practice gratitude, your brain starts to focus on what's going right, and the results are pretty awesome. You feel happier, like actually happier, not just smiling for Instagram. Stress, way lower. Anxiety, cut in half. You become more productive because you're not drowning in negativity.
What we do habitually makes up much of what we do entirely. In fact, it's estimated that up to 70% of our waking behavior is made up of habitual behavior.
So imagine if gratitude became a daily habit. Boom. Your whole life starts shifting to a more positive track without even trying that hard. Are you aware of the reasons why people who are successful swear by gratitude? You know those people who just have it together? Successful entrepreneurs, athletes, even your annoyingly perfect friend who seems to win at life? Guess what? They all have a secret weapon. It's not some crazy productivity hack or a morning routine that takes 3 hours. It's gratitude. Here's why they love it. It kicks self-doubt to the curb. When you're grateful, you stop feeling like you're not enough. It makes relationships stronger. People love being around someone who appreciates them. It helps you stay focused because you're not busy comparing yourself to everyone else. And the best part?
We don't realize how much better we could be at our jobs or at life when we work without distraction.
Gratitude clears the mental clutter so you can actually enjoy life instead of feeling like you're constantly chasing something. I used to be that person, always thinking I need to achieve more, do more, be more. And honestly, it was exhausting. I felt like I was running on a treadmill, going nowhere. But then I decided to give gratitude a shot. I started small, writing down 3 things every morning. And you know what happened? Suddenly I realized how much I already had. Instead of focusing on what I didn't have, I started feeling good about what I did. And guess what? That confidence made me push harder, dream bigger, and actually enjoy the process.
If I can be grateful for the little things, then I can show up better, I can serve the world better, I can be a better human, and what you focus on expands. Here's the magic formula. When you appreciate what you have starts to appreciate in value. Think about it. When you focus on the good gets better. Simple, right? Gratitude isn't just some fluffy idea. It's your golden ticket to feeling amazing, unlocking opportunities, and making the most out of life. Right now, take 10 seconds and think of one thing you're grateful for. It can be your comfy bed, your morning coffee, or even that meme that made you laugh today.
Now imagine doing this every day. How different would life feel? So, are you in? Feel free to share your one thing in the comments and let's spread the gratitude vibes. Trust me, your future self will thank you. Gratitude is much more than a feel-good habit. It's like a magnet that pulls success, happiness, and better opportunities into your life. It's got the power to rewire your brain, level up your relationships, and make you more productive, all while boosting your confidence. Let's break it down in a way that's fun and easy to apply. 1. Gratitude rewires your brain for wins. Here's the thing, your brain loves patterns, and if you're stuck in a cycle of focusing on what's wrong, you'll keep finding problems everywhere you look. But when you practice gratitude, your mind shifts gears. Instead of stressing over what's missing, you start seeing opportunities you never noticed before. Challenges feel less like obstacles and more like stepping stones. You start building resilience without even realizing it.
So the problem is not that we don't know what to do. The problem is we keep getting in our own way.
Gratitude helps clear that mental clutter so you can focus on what truly matters. 2, it makes you the kind of person people want to be around. Let's be honest, nobody wants to hang out with someone who's always complaining, but when you show appreciation, something magical happens. People feel seen and valued, relationships deepen, and opportunities multiply. Suddenly, you're not chasing success, it's finding you. Gratitude makes you more likable, more approachable, and a magnet for positive energy. And when people love being around you, guess what? Success becomes a team effort. 3, gratitude supercharges your productivity. Ever notice how it's easier to get things done when you're in a good mood? That's gratitude at work. When you focus on what's going right, your mind stays clear, and you get more done with less stress. You stop sweating the small stuff and put your energy where it counts. Every task feels a little lighter because you're working from a place of abundance, not lack. You start building momentum, and success loves momentum.
90% of the time that we get distracted, it's not because of what's happening outside of us, it's because of what's happening inside of us.
Gratitude keeps your focus locked in on what's important. 4, it helps you stop searching and start succeeding. We've all been there, constantly chasing the next big thing, hoping it'll finally make us happy. But here's the twist. Success doesn't come from what you find. It's something you create by appreciating what's already here. Gratitude helps you recognize your progress and build on it. It boosts your confidence by reminding you of what you've already achieved. You realize the key to success is not a destination, but a mindset. And remember
that every single one of us knows what we do. Some of us know how we do it, but very, very few of us can clearly articulate why we do what we do.
Gratitude helps you connect with that why and stay aligned with what truly drives you. So, what's the next step? Start small. Take 30 seconds to think of one thing you're grateful for right now. Feels good, right? Now imagine what happens when you do it every single day. Being grateful is more than a habit. It's your personal success formula. What are you waiting for? Start showing up with gratitude, and for sure, success will start showing up for you.
What we focus on, we'll receive more of. And so we need to focus on what we have, what we can be grateful for.
The step-by-step gratitude formula, make it a habit in 2025. Turning gratitude into a daily habit doesn't have to be complicated. It's all about weaving it into your routine in a way that feels natural and effortless. And trust me, when you do, it's going to change how you see your life, your work, and even yourself. Let's break it down step by step. Step 1, start with a gratitude journal, just 5 minutes a day. If you do nothing else, start here. Grab a notebook or use your phone, and every morning, jot down 3 things you're grateful for. They don't have to be life-changing. Sometimes it's the little things that matter most. Maybe it's that first sip of coffee that makes your morning feel complete, the support of a good friend who's always got your back, or simply the fact that you woke up healthy and ready to take on the day. The more specific, the better. Instead of writing, I'm grateful for my job, try, I'm grateful for my job because it allows me to provide for my family and grow my skills.
Avoiding distraction is the key to not living with regret.
A gratitude journal keeps your focus on what truly matters, cutting through the noise and helping you stay grounded. Step 2, express gratitude to others daily. Feeling grateful is powerful, but expressing it, that's next level. Every day, make it a point to show appreciation to the people around you. Send a quick text or a voice note thanking someone for their help or support. Compliment people genuinely when you notice their efforts. Leave a kind review or tell someone you admire their work. You'll be amazed at how this simple act can deepen relationships, brighten someone's day, and create a ripple effect of positivity. Gratitude shared is gratitude multiplied. Step 3, reframe negative thoughts into gratitude moments. Life isn't perfect. We all face challenges, stress, and setbacks. But here's a game changer. Whenever you catch yourself complaining, pause and flip the script. Instead of saying, oh, I have so much work, try, I'm grateful I have meaningful work that challenges me. Instead of, I wish I had more time, say, I'm grateful for the time I do have and how I choose to use it. This shift can completely change how you approach problems and see opportunities where others see obstacles. Step 4, gratitude visualization practice. Before you hit the pillow at night, take a moment to visualize 3 positive things that happened during the day. It could be small wins, acts of kindness, or moments that made you smile. Picture yourself feeling grateful and fulfilled. Imagine how this positive energy carries into tomorrow. Let your mind focus on what's working instead of what's lacking. Visualization not only reinforces gratitude, but also builds optimism and confidence, helping you wake up with a better mindset.
But if you focus on what you're grateful for, you will find more things to be grateful for. And I don't know about you, I would much rather live in a state of gratitude than a state of problems. The beautiful thing about all of that is that you and I are able to make the decision of which one we want to focus on. It's completely up to us.
Step 5, create gratitude triggers, easy reminders in your day. Want to make gratitude a habit that sticks? Attach it to things you already do every day. Before meals, take a quick moment to appreciate your food and the effort behind it. After workouts, be thankful for your health and the ability to move your body. Before bed, reflect on one great thing that happened today. These tiny triggers create a rhythm, making gratitude second nature. And when you align your daily actions with gratitude, you feel more in tune with your purpose because
I think one of the reasons most of us feel discomfort or don't feel ourselves or don't know who we are is because we're making decisions that are inconsistent with that true cause, with that why.
So let's make it happen. Building a gratitude habit is not about perfection. It's about consistency. Start small, keep it simple, and watch how your mindset, relationships, and overall success take a turn for the better. So what's the first thing you're grateful for today? Drop it in the comments and let's get this gratitude train rolling. So you've heard about gratitude and how it can change your life. But let's be real. If it's that powerful, why aren't more people doing it? The truth is, even though it sounds simple, practicing gratitude consistently can feel like a challenge. But don't worry, let's tackle the most common roadblocks and how you can easily overcome them. 1, I don't have time. The classic excuse, life's busy and adding one more thing to your to-do list feels impossible. But here's the reality, gratitude takes less than 5 minutes a day. Think about it. You scroll social media for 30 minutes without even thinking. You binge watch episodes back to back. You refresh your inbox a little too often. If you have time for those, you definitely have time to write down 3 things you're grateful for. Sneak it into your morning coffee routine or do it while brushing your teeth. Simple moments count. 2, I can't think of anything to be grateful for. Let's be honest, when life gets tough, gratitude can feel tricky. But here's the fix. Start with the basics. Even on the worst days, there's always something to appreciate. Your health, if you woke up today, that's a win. A roof over your head, many people don't have that luxury. Opportunities, no matter how small, they exist. The purpose of gratitude is not to make grand gestures. It's about appreciating what's already in front of you. And trust me, once you start, you'll realize there's way more to be grateful for than you thought. 3, it feels repetitive. Writing down, I'm grateful for my family every day can start to feel a bit meh. That's why it's important to keep it fresh. Try this. Look for new things, small wins, personal growth, even unexpected kindness from a stranger. Be specific. Swap, I'm grateful for my job with, I'm grateful for my boss who recognized my hard work today. Change it up, write gratitude letters, share it out loud, or create a gratitude jar and drop notes in every week. When you keep gratitude fun and exciting, it never feels like a chore. 4, I forget to do it. We've all been there, starting strong with good intentions, then life happens. The key, reminders and accountability. Here's how to stay on track. Set alarms or sticky notes in places you can't ignore. Link it to existing habits, right before bed, after your morning coffee, or during your lunch break. Find an accountability partner. Text a friend daily with one thing you're grateful for. Remember, consistency is the secret sauce. The more you do it, the easier it becomes. Let's make gratitude work for you. Gratitude doesn't have to be perfect, it just has to be intentional. Whether it's 5 minutes in the morning or quick reflection before bed, finding a system that works for you is all that matters.
We're not inspired against something. We're not inspired to stop something. We're inspired to build something, or create something, or advance something.
My friend, imagine this. You commit to practicing gratitude every day for the next year. At first, it seems like a small, simple habit. But here's the cool part. Those little moments of appreciation add up over time and lead to huge shifts in your life. It's the compound effect of gratitude, and it's a game changer. 1, increased happiness levels. At first, gratitude feels nice, but as you keep practicing it, something amazing happens. Your happiness levels start to rise. You train your brain to focus on the good stuff, even on tough days. You begin to notice more of the small joys in life, things you used to overlook. Your overall outlook on life gets brighter, and your mental health starts improving. The best part? This isn't a temporary boost. It's a lasting change in how you experience each day. 2, better decision making. Gratitude doesn't just make you feel good, it makes you think better too. When you're grateful, you're more clear-headed and focused. You start making decisions from a place of abundance, not fear or scarcity. You're less likely to get stuck in negativity or overwhelm, which often clouds judgment. In the long run, this leads to better choices in your career, relationships, and personal growth. 3, more opportunities and unexpected blessings. Here's where the magic happens. Gratitude opens doors you never expected. You start attracting more opportunities simply by radiating positive energy. People are naturally drawn to someone who appreciates the world around them. Life seems to throw more blessings your way because you're focused on what's working, not what's lacking. The law of attraction? Maybe. But more likely, it's that gratitude shifts your perspective, making you more open to seeing and seizing opportunities. So picture this. Imagine where you'll be a year from now if you start this habit today. A year from now, practicing gratitude will have transformed your mindset, boosted your happiness, helped you make better choices, opened up new doors of opportunity. That's the power of the compound effect. Small daily shifts lead to massive changes over time. So what's stopping you from starting today? Here's a game-changing tip. For those of you who want to kickstart your day with positive energy, the Gratitude 2-minute morning hack. It's simple, it's quick, and it's powerful. Before you even get out of bed, spend just 2 minutes thinking of 3 things you're grateful for, and they don't need to be big. It could be something as simple as the warmth of your blanket, the fact that you have a roof over your head, or the opportunity to tackle the day ahead. Focus on the feelings of gratitude you have as you think of each thing. Let that energy sink in before your feet hit the floor. This quick exercise helps you set a positive tone for the entire day. It's the perfect way to start your day with the right mindset, preparing you for whatever challenges or opportunities come your way. Give it a try tomorrow morning and see how it changes your entire outlook. My friend, imagine this, looking back at 2025 and knowing without a doubt that you gave it your all, lived it fully, and built something extraordinary, all because you started small with just one simple habit. The journey to transformation begins with tiny intentional steps, and it's those steps that create lasting change. Don't overthink it. Right now, grab a notebook, open your notes app, or just pause for a moment and write down one thing you're grateful for. That's it. Start there. It's not about perfection. It's about action, and it starts today. And if you want to keep this momentum going, the next video is filled with practical tips to help you keep leveling up. Let's make 2025 the year that changes everything, one small, consistent habit at a time. Remember, we're on this journey together, and together we will make this our best year yet.